welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanah here. I'm back with a new video, and today we're going to be getting into this look right here. Don't ask me where I get the inspo from. First of all, I'm supposed to be doing like a red or matte type of thing, right? And I just started to, you know, go in another direction. So this is what I came up with, and I freaking love it oh so much. Like, I really love it. It gives me sunset vibes. I hope you guys enjoy. I have really been in a makeup funk, meaning I did not know what looks to create, what color schemes I wanted to do, and today really helped me, I guess, because I just got my makeup out and just started, you know, got my makeup, my brushes, and I'm like, you know what, today I'm gonna put on some makeup, and this is what I created. Let me know if y'all guys want me to do a all matte cut crease series where I just do all matte cut creases like this one, like I did with the It's My Ray Ray, and I did a blue one not too long ago. So just let me know, because I really have some ideas in mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. Follow me on my social medias because we are best friends, okay? Like, as soon as you subscribe, you're my best friend. So okay. I love you guys so much, and let's get into this video. The LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. Dealing with all matte shades, I tell you guys all the time, make sure you set your lids with a powder. Powder is your best friend when you're using all matte shades. You have to use any type of setting powder. It could be cheap, it could be expensive, it doesn't matter. Drugstore, Sephora, whatever. Make sure you set your lids with a setting powder because it will keep everything in place. It won't be any craziness going on. We're gonna go in with the JACLYN Hill palette first, and I'm gonna go in with this wine shade. We're gonna go with the Morphe 3502 palette. Yes, this palette is dirty. This is my OG triple. Haven't used this palette in forever. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Fire. This is my favorite shade in the palette. Like, I did a freaking smoky eye with that. And I had the same shirt on, I believe. Yep, I had the same shirt on, so I will link that to give y'all some OG makeup tutorial vibes. And I went back to the JACLYN Hill palette, and I used, I think it's called Pukey. This middle shade right here that I'm hitting pan on. This is my favorite shade. I went in with this shade, and I just went on top of the pink, and I just basically blended out the pink so it won't look as harsh. I just went above it just to, even though the shade doesn't really show up on my skin tone, but just to give it a nice blown out look. I don't know what made me do that, but it just gave me a nice blown out look. See, it just blew it out a little bit. So we're gonna go in with any flat brush. You can use any flat brush. You can even use a fluffy brush if you want, but I suggest with all matte shades, I'm gonna say this again, when you're using all matte shades, especially on the lid, please set your lids with setting powder. Do it twice, when you first prime your eyes and before you put your lid on. For the main attraction, we're going to be using this orange shade right here, this nice mustard yellow shade right here in the JACLYN Hill palette. We're going to use the same brush that we use for the any flat brush, doesn't matter. This brush I got from Amazon. These brushes I had literally forever. Like, when I first started makeup 3, 4, 5 years ago, I was using these brushes. So I'm gonna just pat that on, and it looks so gorgeous. I never thought about using this as a lid shade. So this looks more like it's more like each other. So I'm gonna just finish off the eyes. I'm gonna, you know, do some detailing with the one color shade, and then we're gonna get onto this orange. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the 3502 palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I believe this shade is called Heat, and I'm gonna just pop that on the outer corner just to give it some color, like it's going into a bright orange to a yellow, more like a sunset vibe. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna use a BH Cosmetics because I cannot find my NYX one, and I'm so upset because this one like low-key skips on me. I don't know where my black one is. My NYX one. Pray for me, y'all. You made it to the end of this video. I freaking love you guys so much, like a lot, like 1,000,000,001 times. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment something cute in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe of course, and like. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys oh so much, and we about to get into some slow-mos. My braids is dumb long, like for real. Laters.